Australia's vibrant capital, Sydney, is a city that dazzles with its iconic landmarks and lively atmosphere. Nestled along the stunning shores of the Tasman Sea, it seamlessly combines history, modernity, and cultural diversity. Originally inhabited by Indigenous Australians, the city's colonial past is evident in its architecture and landmarks. The Harbour city offers sandy shores and green spaces, creating a perfect balance between urban and natural beauty. Want to know some of the best things to do in Sydney? Please press the like and subscribe button to show your appreciation. And now let's start the video. Number 1. Explore the Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. Perhaps the most important thing you can tick off your Sydney travel list is visiting the iconic symbols of Australia, the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. The Opera House is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a marvel of modern architecture, shaped like a series of sail-like shells or billowing sails. Designed by the visionary Danish architect Jørn Utzon, it hosts world-class performances against the stunning backdrop of Sydney Harbour. Right adjacent to it is the Harbour Bridge, a colossal steel structure that connects the city's shores. And for some stunning photos, venture out to the Harbour Bridge for panoramic views of the city skyline. For added adventure, you can even climb the bridge. It takes about 2 to 3 hours, and don't worry, it's completely safe. Number 2, relax and soak up the sun at Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach in Sydney is like a sunny paradise by the big, blue Pacific Ocean. This iconic stretch of golden sand, just a short drive from the city center, is a great place for everyone who's in town to chill and soak in some sunlight. You can start the day with a leisurely stroll along the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk, offering breathtaking views of the coastline. Embrace the laid-back vibes, try your hand at surfing, and savor beachside dining. If you want a unique swimming experience, check out the Bondi Icebergs Pool. It's a stunning ocean pool right by the beach where the waves crash against the pool's edge. It's also the world's most photographed pool, and for a good reason. Number 3. Stroll through the Royal Botanic Garden. For a serene escape into nature in the heart of Sydney, the Royal Botanic Garden is there, offering a peaceful haven of lush greenery and vibrant blooms. It's located near the iconic Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge, so you don't have to travel too far to cover this tourist attraction along with them. What makes this garden special is its rich history and scientific significance, serving as a hub for botanical research and conservation. Discover themed gardens like the Australian Rainforest Garden and the Oriental Garden for unique botanical experiences. Families can enjoy picnics on the lawns, and everyone can savor stunning views of Sydney Harbour. Number 4. Visit Taronga Zoo. Taronga Zoo is government-run and houses 4,000 animals from 350 species. You can start by getting up close and personal with iconic Australian animals like kangaroos, koalas, and wombats in their naturalistic habitats. Take a stroll through the immersive Rainforest Trail, where you'll get to see free-flying birds and majestic Asian elephants. Don't miss the captivating animal shows featuring seals, birds of prey, and more. The zoo actually has more than 20 shows every day, so you can enjoy learning about the animals there in a fun and engaging way. The zoo has a lot more activities for visitors, like a ride-through penguin experience, an underwater classroom, and a cable car experience. It's a must-go site in Sydney. Number 5. Cruise along Sydney Harbour. Sydney Harbour cruises are a must for tourists seeking a magical experience down under. Because the shore offers stunning views of the 2 most important Australian landmarks, the cruise tour is something every tourist should do. The cruises offer front-row seats to Sydney's dazzling skyline, a kaleidoscope of lights at night, and stunning sunsets casting a warm glow on the harbour. With a variety of options, from leisurely day trips to enchanting dinner cruises, these excursions provide a unique perspective of Sydney, creating cherished memories and an unforgettable introduction to the city's beauty and charm. Number 6. Admire art at the Gallery of New South Wales. This gallery is the most important public gallery in Sydney and one of the largest in Australia. It was founded in 1871. Visiting the Art Gallery of New South Wales is a cultural delight for tourists in Sydney. Housing an impressive collection, including iconic works like Sidney Nolan's Ned Kelly series and Indigenous Australian art, the gallery offers a diverse artistic experience. entry is generally free for the permanent collection, with some special exhibitions having varying admission fees. Visitors can explore the gallery's beautiful spaces, attend guided tours, and engage in interactive workshops. The art gallery also hosts events like film screenings and lectures. Number 7. Gain a bird's-eye view from the Sydney Tower Eye. Standing tall at 309 meters, Sydney Tower Eye is a must for tourists seeking panoramic views of the city. You can go up to the observation deck, which is 250 meters above the Sydney streets, for breathtaking 360-degree vistas of Sydney's skyline. Tickets are available at varying prices and grant access to the observation deck and thrilling skywalk for the more daring. Interactive touchscreens provide fascinating information about key landmarks. For an extra special experience, consider the Sky Feast dining option, a revolving restaurant in the tower, while enjoying a meal with unparalleled views. Number 8. Wander through the historic streets of the Rocks. Exploring the historic streets of the Rocks in Sydney is like stepping back in time amidst cobblestone lanes and charming 19th century buildings. The Rocks Market, held on weekends, offers a delightful array of local crafts and unique souvenirs. Some examples include handcrafted jewelry, Aboriginal art, leather goods, bespoke clothing, vintage-inspired homeware, and artisanal chocolates. History enthusiasts can join walking tours to uncover tales of the area's convict past and maritime heritage. With street performers adding to the lively atmosphere, a stroll through the Rocks promises a perfect blend of history, culture, and entertainment. The Fortune of War is the city's oldest pub and has been here since 1828. It has kept its old-world charm and hamper-style bar alive and calls visitors to savor a pint in an authentic setting. Number 9. Check out the local cuisine. Sydney is a paradise for food enthusiasts, offering a diverse culinary scene that reflects Australia's multicultural influences. You can start by trying Vegemite on toast, a classic Australian breakfast featuring a spread made from yeast extract. Enjoy some iconic Australian dishes like the beloved meat pie or the classic Aussie barbecue featuring succulent grilled meats. Seafood lovers can savor fresh Sydney rock oysters or a plate of fish and chips by the waterfront. For dessert, try a serving of pavlova, a meringue-based delight topped with fresh fruits, or indulge in a lamington, a sponge cake coated in chocolate and coconut. For drinks, you must try local delights such as flat whites and long blacks or experience the refreshing taste of a traditional Aussie lemon squash. Number 10. Visit the Queen Victoria Building. The Queen Victoria Building in Sydney is an architectural grandeur and a shopping haven. This iconic building, designed in the Romanesque Revival style, is a masterpiece showcasing intricate details, stained glass windows, and a majestic central dome with an inner glass dome and an exterior copper-sheathed dome. Housing a mix of high-end boutiques, artisanal shops, and charming cafes, the Queen Victoria Building offers a unique shopping experience in a historically rich setting. Number 11. Visit the Hyde Park. Visiting Hyde Park in Sydney is a delightful escape into greenery and relaxation amid the bustling city. The park's vast lawns, tree-lined avenues, and iconic landmarks make it a cherished retreat for relaxation and recreation. One notable feature is the Anzac Memorial, a solemn tribute to the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps who served in World War I. Number 12. Watch a cricket match. Cricket holds immense importance in Australia, with a rich history and passionate fan base. So, attending a cricket match in Sydney is more than just a sporting event. It's a cultural experience deeply embedded in the nation's identity. The Sydney Cricket Ground offers an electrifying atmosphere during matches. You can have a good time here while watching some thrilling gameplay. That's it for this video. I hope you found Sydney exciting and fun and that you get to visit it someday. Please press the like button if you haven't already, and visit our channel for more interesting travel videos. Thanks for watching.